I really like to fly some small drones like this one. It's a tinywoop Beta FPV Meteor 75 Pro. And I think I'm a beginner still, and that means that I crash a lot and I need to fix a lot of things inside this drone. Today I'm gonna show you how I will fix the antenna connector that was detached together with antenna from the PCB, and I need to replace it really well so it will not be detached in future when I plug and unplug antennas. So let's get started. To fix the drone we need drone, the connector, soldering iron with fine tip, in my case it's 1 millimeter, solder, flags, tweezers, screwdriver to disassemble and assemble drone, and some useful tools for the soldering. This one is a third hand tool, and this one is soldering cleaner, I guess, and that's it. This is all you need. Okay, I'm going to disassemble the drone and fix it into the third hand tool so we can see it and solder it well. Alright, now we have drone nicely fixed and we can continue. Let's remove the old antenna which I soldered directly to the PCB. So now we can remove this. So checking if I can attach it and detach. Yep. Yay, finally we did it. And the question is, will it work? Let's find out. So I'm going to assemble the drone and then make a test flight. See you.
just once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So you saw the results, and I think they are the same comparing to the direct soldering. This is a good sign because it means that I soldered that connector well and it works as expected as it was before it was broken. And now I can switch the antenna to any one which I choose. And usually my idea here is to switch the antenna is just to improve the quality of the signal and video signal, and maybe I need to switch antennas on my goggles as well. But for now I think I'm good and I'm happy with this additional work that I did. At least I don't need to buy a new VTX now, and I'm happy that I was able to actually solder this connector back. I would not recommend to do this for the people who don't have enough experience in the soldering. I don't think I have enough experience in the soldering, especially for these tiny things. I guess this is it. This is all I wanted to share with you today. So see you in the next one.